This is the eToro website. The link is in the description. The sign up process is straightforward. We add the username and our email. Next, eToro will ask to verify your email. It's not important, but it's a good thing to do. I will skip it for now. So this is the main interface. The first thing to do is verify your account. Let's do that by clicking here. First are your details. You must add the name as shown in your ID because later eToro may ask for ID to increase your account limit. Also, when you add money, they will match the name with your billing account name. The next screen is your address. From here, they will check your trading knowledge. I'm going to answer a couple of those questions, but from this point, you will have to answer these questions. The reason is that you must know about trading, or at least have some knowledge because it's your money. Once you have verified your account, this will be your main interface. There will be zero here because you haven't invested in anything. I'm using my personal account to help you see how it works. The left side is the main navigation. If you scroll down, you will see those posts. eToro also works as a social media platform where users can share their views. Alright, the watchlist area is your saved stocks. You can create multiple watchlists. For example, I have one watchlist for the stocks I have invested in and a journal watchlist to follow the stocks I like. On the top, you can search for companies, crypto, and even people. Let's search for Alibaba. As you search, you will see those headings. So this is the company page. To the right, you will learn about the company. Right here is the current share price. This graph by default shows the weekly data, but we can change it here. The chart color changes as we change the range. The red graph shows that the share is overall negative from the starting point, and the green shows positive. Below, you will find specific posts on that company. On the stats screen, you will find the same graph with company information. This is the financial summary data showing the revenue and net income. This is the advanced chart. The green bars show a positive trend, while the red show negative. You don't have to understand this right now, and honestly, I don't use it at all. The analysis tab shows predictions and whether you should buy or sell it. Again, if you want to hold shares, you should not worry too much. The last news tab is where you find news about the company. To invest in it, click on the top button. This window will pop up. You will see buy and sell on the top. While selling shares, click on sell. Now, I don't have money in my account, so let's close it and deposit some money first. To deposit, click on this button. You will see the payment methods and the depositing amount. There is a minimum amount that you can deposit. Once the payment is added, you will see this screen. Alright, let's explore our portfolio. This is where you see your purchased shares. The red and green highlights here show the real-time price change. Now, on this list, you will see the stock name, total shares you have, and average open rate. The average open rate is the average of all the times you have purchased it. If I click here, you will see that I have purchased S&P multiple times at different rates, but the average is what we saw. We'll also see the total invested money, profit or loss data, profit or loss percentage, and value. My Google share is negative overall, meaning I've lost money on it. Alright, it's time to purchase a share. Let's search for SPY because I want to purchase this share. Now the problem here is that the market is closed, so we'll have to wait. Alright, I'm back and you can see that it says market open. Let's click on the invest button. Now on this pop-up, there are a few options. On the top, we have trade and order. Trade executes your order at the current rate, while in the order section, you specify the rate. For example, if you want to purchase S&P at $390, you will specify the rate here. Let's go back to trade. This is the amount option. The problem with eToro is that it does not show your available balance here. So you will have to go back to portfolio if you don't remember the available balance. I have $50 available balance, so we will insert 50 here. You can also click on units if you want to buy in units. Down below, the first option is stop loss. In this section, you will insert the amount or percentage to sell the stock if it goes below a certain point. I don't use stop loss, but if you want to use it, change it to amount by clicking here, because the amount is pretty easy to manage. So if I add 40 here, it means that when this trade value is minus 40, sell stocks. I will not be using it, so let's click here. Leverage is an advanced term that means borrowing money. I have never used it, and I will recommend not using it, at least until you're not familiar with the platform. The take profit value is like the stop loss value. eToro will sell the stock when the value of this trade goes above the number. To purchase, click here. You will see a small notification. Also, when the order successfully executes, you will get this pop-up. You can share this news with the world. Let's close it and go to our portfolio to check it out. The last one is the recent purchase. So if you want to sell out your shares, you can close the individual investments or sell all the shares with the close all button. Let's close this sell. The same type of pop-up will appear. You will see the amount, profit loss data, and total money. Also, you can close a part of this trade. For example, you want to sell specific units or percentage of this sell. You can withdraw money from this menu. We don't have anything right now, so I'll close it. For now, that is all. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel to enjoy tutorials and investment tips. I'll catch you later. Take care.